What I love most about my job is when you're just out and about and you see the product on the street, like somebody with a golf top, and hey, I made that. That makes me feel good. Juan Nivel manufacturing, golf top production. Production starts with a flat piece of plastic. That plastic is molded, they're routed, assembled, and shipped out. What makes the golf top so special that we make are the time and effort that goes into making them. They're real quality, and when people get them, they see that. Before a top leaves production, we want to make sure it's up to par. No scratches, no scuff marks. Before it's put in that box and the shipping, we want to make sure it looks good. We're passionate about our products because when the customer gets them, they get a top quality product, and the time and effort went into it. It's made here locally. We're real proud about that. It's not shipped from overseas. It's made here by hardworking people. It's a real quality product. My part in the golf top process is the assembling them. The thing I love about my job is satisfaction that when a customer gets their product, they see the quality of it and a lot of the time and effort that went into it.